Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
It's not always a storm, you know? Sometimes the cause is completely invisible.
This is the invisible giant that stocks shelves for over 30,000 stores.
On June 5, 2025, hackers forced this giant to go dark, sparking a massive crisis.
Now, the shutdown didn't just affect one company. It created a huge ripple effect. That's how many retail locations across the US and Canada actually rely on UNFI.
The attack paralyzed 58 distribution centers, the very heart of the food supply chain.
Major retailers and even the U.S. military faced immediate inventory shortages.
Let's look at the staggering financial cost of this digital paralysis.
The company projected a sales hit of up to $400 million from the attack.
And they spent an extra $20 million on manual pen and paper workarounds.
But the true cost wasn't just in dollars. It was a crisis of trust.
The attack exposed just how fragile our food infrastructure really is.
This really shows that third-party risk means your grocer's security depends on their supplier. It leaves us with a critical question about the security of our most basic needs. Binge on our playlists on a marathon watch to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.